In this video, we will show you how to install a new pneumatic cylinder and how to adjust the scanning electrode properly. Before you install the new cylinder, make sure that the dosing operation is switched off. Then you can start. You re-establish the tube connections over the screw connection. Afterwards, you position the new pneumatic cylinder and connect it with the fork head. Then you set the cylinder with the vertical holder in the swivel mounting bracket. After exchanging the cylinder, the scanning electrode must be adjusted. For the adjustment, you need a reference point. Therefore, you first place the electrode level with the overflow point. A steel ruler or a folding ruler can help with this. Then you position the scanning electrode 15 millimeters below the overflow point in the center of the riser tube. This prevents metal from flowing uncontrollably into the launder, which could lead to a machine fire. One more important tip. With the end position damping, you can influence the speed with which the electrode goes in and out. A second person selects in the install mode of the controls alternately set 0 and set 1. This causes the electrode to go in and out, and the swivel speed can be adapted accordingly. You loosen the adjusting screw of the end position damping with a wrench until the electrode swivels fast and without delay out of the riser tube.